Next, IUPAC nomenclature of elements with atomic number greater than 100. IUPAC nomenclature of elements with Z greater than 100. Z means atomic number. Elements with atomic number greater than 100. The elements with atomic number greater than 100 are also called super heavy elements. Super heavy elements. So IUPAC nomenclature of elements with atomic number greater than 100 are super heavy elements. Or the element with atomic number 100 is fermium. The element with atomic number 100 is fermium. The elements with atomic number greater than 100, that is greater than fermium or after fermium, are called transfermium elements. Transfermium elements. So IUPAC nomenclature of elements with atomic number greater than 100, or IUPAC nomenclature of elements with IUPAC nomenclature of super heavy elements, or IUPAC nomenclature of transfermium elements. According to IUPAC, some root words are given for some digits. Digit, root words, abbreviation. Digit 0, root word is nil, abbreviation is N. For 1, root word is un, abbreviation is U. For 2, by, B. For 3, try, T. 4, quad, Q. For 5, pent, P. For 6, hex, H. For 7, sept, S. For 8, oct, O. For 9, N, E. Some root words are given for some digits. And according to IUPAC, the name of the element ends with EM. Name of the element ends with EM, IUM. For some elements, names are shortened. For some elements, names are shortened. That means BI plus IUM. It is shortened to just BIUM. For some elements, names are shortened. That means BI plus IUM. It becomes BM. Tri plus IUM. It becomes TRIUM. N plus IUM. Atomic number, IUPAC name, and symbol of the element. For example, if the element with atomic number 101, if we take this element, then its name should be un, nil, un. Its name ends with IUM, na? Un plus nil plus un plus IUM. Un plus nil plus un plus IUM. Annil, anium. So its name should be anil anium. Symbol is UNU. UNU. If we take element with atomic number 102, un plus nil plus Bm, anil Bm, its a symbol should be UNB. For element with atomic number 103, anil trium, anil trium, anil trium, symbol should be UNT. Like that we can write IUPAC nomenclature of the elements. If we take the element with atomic number 104, anil quadium, anil quadium, UNQ, UNQ. For the element with atomic number 105, anil pentium, UNP. For 106, anil hexium, UNH. 107, anil septium, anil septium, UNS. 108, anil octium, UNO. 109, anil enium, UNE. 110, annanilium, symbol should be UUN. 111, anium, symbol should be UUU. What is the IUPAC name of the element with atomic number 118? 118. Its name should be octium. Octium. Its a symbol should be UUO. Till now we know only 118 elements. Suppose in future, if the element with atomic number 120 is discovered, what is its IUPAC name? Its IUPAC name should be unbenilium. Digit 1 is there. 2, by 0, nil, ends with IUM, anilbium. Its symbol should be UBN. This is the IUPAC nomenclature of elements with atomic number 100, greater than 100.